Hello everyone. Let's now discuss how can we. So we are going with find the maximum length of valid subsequence one. So we are going with an integer array nums. A subsequent sub of nums with length x is called valid if it satisfies this condition. So sub of 0 plus sub 1 mod 2 is equal to sub 1 plus sub 2 mod 2, and so on like this, right? So let's take an example where we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 7. So this is our given array, right? Now sub 0 plus sub 1 mod 2 equal to sub 1 plus sub 2. So let me take this 1 and let me take a 2. 1 plus 2 is giving me 3, right? Now after that, what I need to take so that 3 mod 2 is giving me 1, right? So what should I take, or what should I consider the next element so that I would get the sum between these two elements, sub 1 and sub 2 will be 1 again. So if I consider 3, 2 plus 3 is giving me 5. So 5 mod 2 will give me 1, right? So the first thing, a subsequence is an array that can be derived from another array by deleting some or no elements without changing the order of remaining elements. So a subsequence is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are not changing the order but removing some of the elements and we will get a subsequence. Now we didn't change the order of the elements. Now return the length of the longest valid subsequence of nums. Let us see by an example. 1 2 3 4, and they said that 4 is the answer. Let us check whether this subsequence is valid or not. 1 plus 2 is giving me 3, 2 plus 3 is giving me 5, 3 plus 4 is giving me 7, right? 3 mod 2 will give us 1, 5 mod 2 will give us 1, 7 mod 2 will also give us 1. So it is a valid subsequence and the length of this subsequence is 4. Now 1 2 double 1 2 1 2, and they said that 6 is the length of the longest valid subsequence. Let us look at this valid subsequence. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 3, and then 1 plus 2 is also 3, right? So 3 mod 2 all are same. 3 mod 2 is 1, all will be 1 itself. Now let us look at another example where I got 1 comma 3 and we got 1 plus 3 which is 4. 4 mod 2 is just 0. So 2 is the longest or length of the longest valid subsequence. But if you see the output for any number x mod 2 will be either 0 or 1. When it will be 0, if x is odd, sorry, x is even, it will be 0. If x is odd, it will be 1, right? So now how can I make x as even or odd? How can x can be even or odd? For x should be, for x to be an even number, to be an even number, to be an odd number, what are the possibilities? For x, let me take a plus b is equal to x. Now what can be a and what can be b? So if I just add 1 plus 1, it is giving me 2, which is even, right? If I just add 5 plus 5, it is giving me 10, right? If I just add 15 plus 15, it is giving me 30, right? It's not that 15 plus something like 35 is giving me 50, right? Now 50 plus 80, let me take 100, which is giving me 150. Now here it is odd and odd, or odd odd, even, sorry, odd and odd, odd and odd again, even and even. Let us add 10 plus 20, which is giving me 30, which is even, right? All of these numbers are even. So if I add odd and odd, it is giving me even. Even and even is also giving me even. Let us look at how can I get the odd sum. 1 plus 2 is giving me 3, 5 plus 8 is giving me 13, 20 plus 21 is giving me 41. So odd plus even, and even plus odd also give us odd sum. Now we got how can I get this odd sum and even sum? What I'll do is I'll initialize even odd is equal to 0, odd even is equal to 0 for getting the odd sum, right? What does this even odd mean? Let me take 1 2 1 2 5 8 3 6. Now the longest the length of the longest subsequence will be the length itself, which is nothing but 8. But when I got even odd, how can I store it? Even odd, right? That means I'm starting with even and then go to odd. Now after that even, right? Even, odd, even, and then odd, even, and then odd. And do I got an even number? Oh, sorry, odd number, right? So I got an odd number here, then I got an even number. So I would also consider it. Now, for odd even, let us see how can I get this odd even. Now, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, and then even. So 8 will be the maximum length, right? So by taking this even odd and odd even, I would consider or get the maximum length of the longest valid subsequence. Now I will initialize odds is equal to 0, evens is equal to 0. Why? I am just writing the algorithm, right? Why? So odds are giving me even sum and events are giving me even sums, even sum. So what if I just stored this odds and events, then I can return the maximum from all this, right? Now I got even odd and odd even. Now let us take 1 2 1 2 and then 5 8 and 11 6. This is our array. Now let me take consider that num. I'm just going through the every number in the nums array, right? If num mod 2, that means it is an odd number. Now I got an odd number. So when I said odd even, I said that I will get an odd number, right? I will get an odd number and then an even number, odd, even, like this. Now, odd, even, odd, even, like this. Now, for now, I got an odd number. Let us just consider that I got all those odd even pairs. Now I got an odd number, and previously I got an odd even. Now I have odd number. What I'll do, I will add this number, and that means I am just adding that to the odd even. So if I got an odd number and odd even mod 2 is equal to 0, then odd even plus plus. What I mean is till here I got all those pairs which are odd even. Now I got an odd number, I'm just adding it to odd even, right? That means I'm just starting my odd number from here. Now I got odd even mod 2 is equal to 0. But wait, what if I got even, odd, even, and then I got an odd number here? That's what it happened here, right? Now I got an odd number here. Even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. Let us just consider one more two. For now, I'm just consider for this sake that I got an even number, even, odd, even. Now I got an odd number. Now, if you see, even odd numbers are 3, right? Which is odd. Even, odd, mod 2 is equal to 1. That means till now events odds are there. That means I have even previously. That means the last number is even. Now I got an odd number. So if it is an even number till here, I will be getting the odd count for even, odd. So what I'll do, I'm just considering this element which is odd. Even, odd, plus plus. Now, I think you can do that for if I got an even number. Let me explain you once for this if it is an even number. So if num mod 2 is not equal to 1, then it is an even number, right? Now I got an even number here. Till here, till here I got odd, even, odd, and then I got even. So what did I start with? Odd, even. Odd even is having 3, so odd even is having the count of 3. So odd even mod 2 is equal to 1, which is nothing but it is having the odd count. Now I got an even number, so I will add that odd, even, plus plus. Now let me tell you that I got an again. Let me just take this even number 2 at the front so that you can understand it, right? So I'm at 2, and let me take an even number at the front, 2, right? Even, odd, and I got an even number here. So even, odd, there are 4. So which is nothing but it is having an even count. Even, odd is having an even count. Even, odd is having an even count, and I am considering this even number. So even, odd, plus plus. Now every time I got an odd number, I'll just increment odds plus plus. Every time I got an even number, evens plus plus. So this is just the loop, and we have just took this example. The algorithm will be looking like just initializing odds, evens. Wait a second. Odds, evens, and then odds, events, and even, odd, even, like this, right? This is the loop which will be going through the nums, right? Now after that I'll just change maxi is equal to 0. I'll update maxi is equal to maximum of maxi, comma, from all this odd, even, odd, odds, comma, events. So we'll be returning maxi at the end. So this is how you solve this problem, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.